To save a whiteboard file in progress so that you can return to it again tomorrow and pick up where you left off, press the three dots in the lower left-hand corner and choose either Save or Save As. Save should be used if you are saving a blank copy. Save As should be used if you are planning to save this with a different file name. I'll name this file, for example, Third Period. I'll save all of the pages, and I'll press Next. I'll save the whiteboard locally to the folder called Whiteboard. Tomorrow, when I come back, to reopen this file, I'll press the three dots, go to File, and choose Open. I'll select my file, it will load, and I can pick up where I left off the previous day.